Hello my friends, hope all you're doing well and welcome to Ellen's Cooking Tips. Today I'm going to show you a tip on how to make the perfect hard-boiled egg without overcooking them and getting the green rim around them. So I have a pot of water and we're going to add in 8 eggs, I'm using the large ones, right into the water, like so. We're going to cut the fire on to high and all we got to do is bring this to a boil. Alright my friends, the water has come to a boil, so all we do now is cover the pot. Gonna cut the fire off and we're gonna let the eggs sit in the water for 15 minutes. Alright my friends, it's been 15 minutes. So over here in my bowl I have some ice water and we're gonna put the eggs right into the water and that will help shock them to stop the cooking process. Alright my friends, I got all my eggs into the ice water, so now we're going to let the eggs stay in the ice water until it's cool completely. Alright my friends, our eggs is nice and cool. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to peel them. I'm going to roll them like a basketball. Alright, that's good. And drum roll please. Voila! See how the eggshell come right off? It's like magic. And if the eggs still have a little shell, you can always put it in the cold water. But look at that hard-boiled egg. Doesn't that look gorgeous? Alright, now it's time to reveal the inside. Here we go. Oh yeah, the egg is nice and cooked. Look at that beautiful yolk inside. Don't have the green ridges. Perfect. And there you have it, my friends. That's how easy it is to make a hard-boiled egg. And these would be great for breakfast or a snack, deviled egg, potato salad, egg salad, whichever you prefer. And stay tuned. My next video, I'm going to show you how to make some delicious, easy southern deviled eggs that'll be perfect for your New Year's Eve gathering or any time of the year. Well, I want to thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat. Much love.